I've got good news. I have my friend Shannon here with me. I was thinking you two could get some grub. You know, tear it up, see what happens. Open up.
Agnes, tell Julia I'm not here.
Kurt's not here. Are you sure? Yes, he just told me. I mean, no, he didn't just tell me. Agnes, where is girl? He's putting on lipstick. He's sweaty on flies.
No.
He's chopping his head off. He's pooping? I know you're in there, girl. There's no way you're getting out of this.
I have to tell you, I was so nervous about tonight. I mean, there's just so many phonies out there.
Yes, I hear you.
So, do you work out?
Well,
I mean, obviously you don't, but would you consider it, huh? Physical fitness is very important to Shannon, as you can tell, right, huh?
I can't tell.
Sorry.
We are in a restaurant, you know.
Ooh.
Hi, take out for Lucy.
Sure, just a sec.
Your accent is so exotic.
Well, thank you very much.
I know someone who can fix that for you, and you'll be talking normal in no time.
Ooh, is it hot in here? Ooh. How's the food?
Wait a minute. Are you wearing a wig?
What? I don't think so.
I knew it. You are phony. I hate phonies.
Oh, what? No, these socks are all mine.
No, they're not. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna rip that thing off your head and show everyone what a bald-headed phony you are.
I don't think so, Miss Lady.
Hello? Are you?
Hey, girl.
Hello, Lucy. How are you doing?
Wow, looks like your day's off on account. It's like she's been shot with a mild tranquilizer.
Mom!
Yeah, winking, cause that's what actually happened.
Excuse, what's happening here? She no like?
Oh, she's just
Oh, see.
Oh, shall we take her home?